Hello Camstars, welcome to Mathematical Reasoning class. For the past 2 weeks, we've been talking about measurements. We have been talking about measurements. This week, we'll be taking a look at a new topic called geometry, and we will be working on page 189, 209, and 221. As we all know, geometry talks about shapes, and this is page 189, and the first question says, put a dot on all the triangles and squares. So the first one is a triangle, while the last one is a square. In your book, you will see how it looks like. Number 2 say put an X on all the circles and triangles. So I'm putting an X on my circle and I'm going to put an X on my triangle. Number 3 say put a dot on all the shapes without corners. A shape without corner is a circle and also the ovoid shape, which is in purple. The next question says put an X on all the shapes that have corners. The triangle has 1, 2, 3 corners. So I'm going to put an X on the triangle. The next one is a rectangle. Just try and check your book. You'll see it's a rectangle. So a rectangle has 4 corners. So I'm going to put an X on that. Also, a square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm putting an X on the square. The last question is put a dot on all the rectangles that are not yellow. We only have one rectangle, so I'll put a dot on it. Beautiful. So we'll move over to the next page, which is page 209. It's a circle the objects that would be made with just these 4 shapes: the triangle, the green triangle, yellow and red circle, yellow square, and purple rectangle. So these are the 4 shapes. So which objects can we make with these 4 shapes? Like the first one here, we can make this object with the shapes. The second object has 2 red circles and we only have 1. The third one has 2 green triangle and we only have 1 triangle, while the third one has 2 rectangles while we only have 1. So I will circle the first one. And also number 2, circle the objects that would be made with just these 4 shapes. The first object has a green circle. The second one has the 4 complete shapes. The third one has 2 red circles, and also the last one has the complete shapes. So we're going to circle the second object and the last object. Beautiful, great job. So we'll move over to the last question. That's on page 221. It says help the mother hen find her eggs. Draw a path to connect the footprints in the correct order, counting by tens. So we are going to count together from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, kids, this is the mother hen, and we're tracing it to the eggs. So we're going to start from 10. Remember, we are counting in tens. So, let's go. 10 to 20, from 20 to 30, from 30 to 40, from 40 to 50. Nice job. From 50 to 60. You can see the pathway. From 60 to 70. You're doing great, kids. From 70 to 80. From 80 to 90. And from 90 to 100. So, kids, we've gotten to the eggs. Wow. Beautiful. Good job. Thanks for helping Mother Hen get to our eggs. So, kids, we've come to the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's class. Can't wait to have you in my next class. Bye.